By 2049, AI is predicted to be 1 billion times smarter than the smartest human. Does the concept of singularity scare you?
Yeah, so first of all, I revised those numbers, believe it or not, last year, and I publicly say that AGI is no later than 2027, and that the master of predicting this, Ray Kurzweil, has always said it was 2029. I think we're accelerating and we're misunderstanding the concept of how we will arrive at AGI. There is a lot of hype around one company, creating AGI. I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think what's happening is that because we're allowing agents to prompt AI, those agents are literally connecting the multiple systems in a loosely coupled way so that you can see one of those agents will become the AGI, which will be able to prompt all of the different special AGIs. Special AIs, and be able to provide intelligence that way.